In our modern society, spiritual gifts, often invisible and intangible, are widely overlooked or misunderstood. This is mainly because our world emphasizes material values, logic, and science. While these are important, they often make us forget the spiritual and unseen aspects of life. For instance, someone might feel an intuition or a bad premonition before a negative event occurs. Yet these sensations are often dismissed or mocked because they cannot be explained logically. However, these feelings are not coincidences, but direct manifestations of spiritual gifts that many neglect simply because they fail to recognize them. This is what we will explore in this video: how to recognize and develop your spiritual gifts. Spiritual gifts come in various forms, each playing a unique role in how you perceive and interact with the world. Subtle perception gifts, for example, allow you to access information beyond your physical senses. You might experience clairsentience, the ability to sense emotions or energies around you. You may also encounter clairvoyance, which provides visions or symbols linked to past or future events, or clairaudience, where you hear sounds or words that others cannot perceive. Other gifts operate more in the realm of action, such as energy healing, which helps balance and soothe a person's energy, or inspired creation, where spiritual energies are channeled to produce works that deeply resonate with others. Some people have relational gifts, such as intense empathy, which allows them to instantly understand others' emotions, or natural charisma, which enables them to lead and inspire those around them. There are also energy-related gifts, like the ability to channel spiritual messages during meditation, or harmonize a space after a conflict to restore peace. Others know how to protect themselves from negative energies through visualizations or positive intention. These gifts, though diverse, share a common trait. They may exist within you without your awareness. They often appear in subtle ways, such as fleeting intuitions, synchronicities, or vivid dreams. To recognize these manifestations, it is essential to develop openness and pay attention to the signs around you. This requires a conscious effort to slow down and observe what is happening within and around you. To develop your spiritual gifts, it is crucial to cultivate harmony between your body, mind, and soul. Your body is the vessel for subtle energies. If it is tired or stressed, it becomes difficult to perceive these signals. Your mind must be calm and receptive, as an agitated mental state acts as a barrier to these perceptions. Your soul, the source of your spiritual abilities, thrives through practices like meditation, prayer, or contemplation. By nurturing these three dimensions, you create fertile ground for the emergence and mastery of your gifts. To go further, incorporating simple exercises into your daily routine can help refine your abilities. For example, taking a few minutes each day to meditate calms the mind and facilitates access to your intuition. Keeping an intuitive journal where you record your dreams, intuitions, or notable events of the day creates a written record of your spiritual experiences and helps you identify recurring patterns or messages. Using tools like tarot cards or oracle decks can also help deepen your understanding of the energies around you. Finally, setting clear intentions before an activity or a moment of reflection can open doors to deeper and inspired perception. Spiritual gifts are also valuable tools in your daily life. Take intuition as an example. When faced with an important decision, you might feel a sensation in your gut, like an inner compass guiding you. This feeling is not mere coincidence, but a natural ability to sense what aligns with your well-being. Some people possess a calming presence that instantly soothes those around them, or have a gift of clairvoyance that allows them to offer insightful and enlightening advice. These talents, often underestimated, play a vital role in your relationships and interactions with the world. Recognizing and nurturing your spiritual gifts requires time, patience, and a genuine willingness to listen to the subtle messages coming your way. The journey to better understanding your abilities begins with sincere attention to the signs emerging in your daily life. By sharing your gifts with others, you create deeper connections and inspire those around you to do the same. To conclude, spiritual gifts are powerful allies in your quest for meaning and well-being. They only ask to be acknowledged, developed, and used to enhance not only your life, but also the lives of others. I sincerely hope this video inspires you to explore your own abilities and recognize the unique gifts that lie dormant within you. By taking the time to develop these precious skills, you can enrich your life and bring light and harmony to those around you. Take care of yourself, nurture your inner connection, and keep moving forward on this path of spiritual discovery. Thank you for your presence and trust. Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd be delighted to hear how you plan to use your gifts to enrich the world around you.